Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Redragon. Definitely check them out for all your computer accessory needs and esports gaming. They got everything you need. So hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Prime Day is over, but they still got sales going on now. Back to school sales. Might want to start stocking up now. If you're going to first year through college and all that good stuff. So you want to get prepared. Now's the time to get some stuff. And now, like I said, this is coming from my good friends at Redragon. This is their M916 Pro 1K King Pro 26,000 DPI wireless eSport gaming mouse. Wired 2.4 gig. Bluetooth connecting available. Optical sensor $33.95. Skin friendly finish. Also, you could put different skins on them. Alright. Max DPI. There's precision. Really good stuff though. I love their keyboards. Their mechanical keyboards. They got really good selection. And others. So, I mean, all you gotta do is click the link. And also, you can check their website out. They do have some different deals going on. And then also, you can see what's upcoming, too, you know? Either or, this is the King Pro. Just brand new, came out. Of course, you get the famous Redragon stickers for your laptop, MacBook, whatever you sticker with. And don't need this, but just in case. For the beginners. Oh, nice little package deal right here. We got the dongle. We got the cord. And the USB. Ooh. Super lightweight. Nice little grip right there. And this is super lightweight, guys. Here we go. Nice cord. Your cats will chew it, or any other kind of furry animal you have. And this is a USB. Alright. Probably need that. Well, you can have it, Bluetooth. Or whatever you need. USB. It's right here. If I could get it out. Here we go. Alright, guys. USB mode. Wired mode. So maybe this is like an extender. Not sure if I'm doing it right, but should be up front. There you go. But we're going to use USB to test this thing out. Hop over to the computer right now. Alright guys, right there, we got the new Bluetooth mode found. So it picked it up in 2 seconds. Let me close. There we go. Whoa. DPI. Let's see if this works. Let me double check. Connection. Hold on. Here we go. BT 5.1. Oh yeah. I said this is super nice. Got the non-slip guards right there. Can't complain with this one at all. So it's always good to have a couple extra mouses around too. So well, yeah, definitely a good one to get, guys. And they're affordable. So if you're on a budget, maybe get your gaming partner or friend a nice gift. Birthday, Christmas, bar mitzvah. You never know. Definitely check them out. Link's going to be down below. Like I said, check on Amazon first. See what the sale is. But I know Amazon got them on sale right now. So Redragon. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.